Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to Jaipur. Yesterday was travel day for us and we did a couple stops along the way and now we're in Jaipur. We're staying at the Fort Homestay in Jaipur and it's sort of a central area located along with a bunch of other homestays and restaurants in Jaipur. Now today we're going to do a bit of exploring around. Got a tuk-tuk for the day. So we'll take a drive around and see what we can see and bring you guys along as well. Yesterday we left Agra. Just before we left Agra, we took a little wander around and looks like I think we had a close encounter with Karl Rock. I think he was there with his buddy on their Royal Enfields. They're all suited up and heading out for the day, and so we didn't get a chance to say hi to him, but pretty sure that was him. So shout out to Karl Rock if he was there, and if he was there, let us know. Anyways. Right here, this homestay is situated right beside this old fort. As you can see, there's sort of remnants of it here. That's sort of the backyard of it. The owner of the hotel or the homestay tells us that this is a place where they used to park the elephants. He says this is where the Maharajas had to park their elephants. He says all the forts were in the area, and he says this basically was the area where they housed their elephants and parked the elephants. He says, you need a place to park your car. Got to have a place to park your elephant. So back in the day, this is what was done. So yeah. Anyways, come on along with us today, and hopefully we'll be able to find some cool things. Maybe get a little lost and bring you guys along with us. All right.
And I'll just add, our homestay is fantastic. Our host is awesome. He's really helpful.
Yeah, very cool guy, very chill. The whole area here seems to have a bit of a relaxed atmosphere.
Yeah, really nice vibe.
Yeah, cool vibe. So, anyways. Come on along with us, and thanks for being lost together with us. Take care now. Bye. Hey again from Jaipur. Back up on the roof of our homestay here at Le Fort. We've discovered that this fort behind me here, this is the Hathroi Fort. It's basically abandoned, but apparently there's some people that are staying in it. And right further down our road here, you go up and around, and there's a roadway to go up to the fort. So we're going to try and do that. The only thing is the owner was telling us that last week one of his homestay people here tried to go up and was bitten by a dog, and then had to be taken to the hospital and get a rabies shot, and then carry on with I think 4 or 5 injections that he had to take with him for the rest of his travels because they weren't sure if the dog had rabies or not. So, anyways. We're going to do that. We're going to walk up and hopefully we don't find the dog, but we'll film it as we go. But as I said, this is the Hathroi Fort. So check it out.
And hopefully we don't get bit by this
There we go.
vicious dog.
Another adventure. It's going to be dogs or something's going to chase. Dogs or monkeys or whatever. They all seem to be out for us. So stick with us. See you soon.